Hey guys, it's Scott with a No Budget Homestead, and today for some of our kit and everyday carry reviews, we're covering the Schrade SC Pen 4 Series Tactical Survival Pen. Yes, I'm outside. You can hear the nice birds out there singing. It's a beautiful day out, so I thought I'd do a review outdoors here. Anyways, I've had this pen for about a year now. I got it on Amazon. It's a wonderful pen, and it's something good to have. And I thought I'd go ahead and share with you some of the features of it. It's not just a regular pen. It's what they call a tactical survival pen. And let me show you some of the features on it. First of all, this little clip here, it is a very thick steel clip. Screwed on there very well. This is usually the first thing that I end up breaking on either a tactical pen or a regular pen or pencil, mechanical pencil, or even flashlights, the smaller flashlights. I end up breaking those clips so much. This has stood the test of time, so I've been real impressed. Okay, the other thing is it has a whistle here, so you guys can hear that. Yep. It can get pretty loud too if you blow really hard, so that's kind of nice. And it's very subtle, so people don't really notice it, especially when it's in your shirt pocket like this. Now at the point here, it does have a point which is good for striking. So if you need to strike something, like to break some glass, or in a defensive situation where you need to protect yourself and you don't have anything else on you, this is a great way. This will really hurt striking somebody, especially if you have to strike them in the head or in the arm or any other part of the body. That would hurt a lot because this is aluminum, milled aluminum, so it is very strong. Okay, all right, now let me show you something else here. There's the pen. This uses Parker refills, Parker ballpoint refills, so you can find them anywhere. And as I can show you here, it just writes really well. It's kind of smooth. Okay, and then we take the cap off, put the cap back on. All right, and then we take the other bit off, the front part off, and here's a ferro rod. Okay, now it's got a nice little ferro rod. So where's the striking? It's right here on the tip. The tip screws off and then screws back into here, and it screws the opposite way. So if you try twisting it normally, this way it won't work too well. And if you can see, it does make some good sparks. Whoops, just tore up the sheet here. But things I'll do for you guys. So that's really nice too. So that's kind of all the features on this. And like I said, I've had this for over a year now. It's been a wonderful, wonderful pen. Most people, when they ask to borrow a pen, I let them use this. And I'll take this apart like this for them. And they have absolutely no idea that this is actually a tactical pen. They like the weight of it. It's a good, solid weight. It's not too heavy for putting in your shirt pocket or anything. And what's nice also is if those of you who conceal carry and you need to go into either a federal building or school grounds or something like that where you're not legally allowed to carry, you can bring this with you and you still have some way to defend yourself should the situation allow. Like I said, it's a very good striking surface. It's great. It really is. It's not too heavy, it's not too light, it's just right. So it's kind of like the Goldilocks zone. So I've been very happy with this. I'll put a link down below to an Amazon link, and just let you know it is an affiliate link. So if you feel that you need to get yourself one of these, I'd greatly appreciate it if you use our link. It helps support the channel. So if y'all have any questions or comments or anything, go ahead and put them down below. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up, because we like those thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. When we check the stats on our channel, we see about 99 to 98% of the people who watch our videos are not subscribed. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. It would really help us and lets us know that you guys enjoy seeing some of these videos. So, and also don't forget the bell, so that you got to ring that bell, ring that bell. Okay, so that you'll get notified when we have new videos. Well, guys, thanks for hanging out with us. I hope you enjoyed this quick little review of the Schrade SC Pen 4 Series Tactical Survival Pen. Okay? Well, y'all have a simply unbelievable day. God bless you. And we'll see y'all in the next channel.